What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you all had a great weekend, and hope you all will all have a great start of the week. And I hope I can contribute to that. In this video, we'll take a look at Luna Classic. We'll talk about the technicals. We have some updates to do after yesterday. We dropped down as expected, as I said in the analysis as well. But we have dropped down, so I kind of wanted to talk about what happens from here and what you can expect from the price of Luna Classic. We'll talk about some fundamentals, and I also wanted to talk about the future of Luna Classic. Like, can we still get to $1? Can we still get to 1 cent? And can we still get to 10 cents over the long term? So we'll talk about that too. But first, if we take a look at the fundamentals around Luna Classic, there are no new rumors, there are no new proposals or anything. So fundamentally around Luna Classic, it's pretty quiet. Fundamentally in the market, it's still, it looks like we're kind of stabilizing, but there's still a lot going on. So it hasn't stabilized yet, but there are some signs that we are stabilizing, like dropping volume and just in general less bearish fundamental events. And economically, fundamentally, the market is doing good, but we cannot see that because of the bearish other fundamentals. So that's kind of a recap of the market. If we take a look at Luna Classic, you can actually see that the last couple of days for burning were quite good. Even the weekend, when volume usually drops down very severely, we had a lot of on-chain volume. So that's amazing, and today as well we already have quite a lot of Luna Classic burned. Now this raises a question, and that is, can we actually get to 1 cent and 10 cents and $1? Because that is in the end what we wanted to do with these burns. And we'll talk about that a little bit later. First, I want to really take a look at the technicals. So Binance burn coming in half a month. Beginning of December, that's going to be very big. So before that, you can expect some more bullish momentum, but I will definitely cover that when it's time. For now, though, what I said yesterday is that we would drop down through 18,000 right here to this level between 16 and 15,000. And right now, as you can see, I think we'll hold that. Even if we get more bearish fundamentals in the market, I think we'll hold 15,000. Luna Classic has a strong community, so I think that's possible. Now, is it possible to actually break above 18,000 again? I think not, unless we get fundamentals, or if the market really stabilizes. So if Bitcoin gets up to like 18,500, that could also be a reason that we get above 18,000 and do something like this. And apart from that, the other reason, as I said, is bullish fundamentals for Luna Classic specifically. So a proposal, a big burn, a listing rumor, that could all help. Then something like this is possible, but in normal market circumstances, no, it isn't. We'll just consolidate on top of 16 and 15,000. Now the question: can we actually get to 1 cent and 10 cents in the future, right? So in the next year, next 2 years, and the fair answer to that question is, with this burn rate, I don't think we will, because right now we're burning through like, what's this going to be? It's probably going to be more than 1 billion in a week. All right, so that's absolutely amazing. All right, that's quite a lot of Luna Classic. And then on top of that, we'll also get the Binance burn, which is probably going to be quite big. It's probably going to be, I don't know, it could be like more than 20 billion, could very well be. Volume has been very high over the last days. Now, still, if you burn through like 1 billion a week, we have a 6,600 billion Luna Classic circulating supply right now. So to burn through the entire supply, which is not something we want to do, but to burn through that, you would need to like have a lot of weeks. All right, let's state it like that. And obviously you don't need to burn that much, but even burning through like, if you burn through 10% of the supply, that would be like, that would be like 600 billion. If you burn 1 billion, let's say you burn 3 billion per week. Well, no, that's, all right, 3 billion per week. Per year, that's about 150 billion. 150 billion on top of the circulating supply is not going to do that much either. It's not even 10% of the circulating supply. I might be making some math mistakes here, But in general, I think that if we really get a huge bull run after burning through like at least 10% of the supply, then we could actually get to a cent. But getting up to 10 cents and $1 right now is really out of question. That's really something we cannot talk about. It still has a 1.1 million market cap, 1.1 billion market cap. So obviously that decreases if the circulating supply decreases. But with such a high circulating supply, it's just not going to happen, even in a bull market. So yeah, that's my take on the future of Luna Classic. We can still get nice bull runs, but it's like 1 cent is really like at this point the maximum I think we can even talk about. So yeah, if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. That was my take. If you do have any, yeah, so take care today. Have a great day and bye.